Summer 2024 is set to be a wet scorcher of a summer. Let's see some long-term forecasts. Hello, this is Chart GPT today. We're going to take a look at the weather, what's going on in terms of what's going to happen for 2024. It's the spring is in full bloom, and we're about ready to think about getting into summer. Some people are asking, well, what's it going to be like? Is it going to be a hot one, cold one? Is it going to be a wet one, dry one? Well, let's take a look at what the forecasters are telling us. Of course, this is coming out of NOAA, and basically what they're saying is that the west is going to be above average in temperature, and even the south is going to be, part of the United States is going to be a little bit warm. And for the most part, I guess they're saying that the United States overall is going to be warmer. And so we'll take a look at that, and take a look at the Farmer's Almanac, our old trusty Farmer Almanac, which has been around since 1818, so they must know a little bit about what they're doing. And again, they're basically saying the same thing, except that they're saying that the southern parts are going to be steamy, thundery, showery, and pretty much a hot, muggy, wet summer is in store for us. At least that's what the Farmer's Almanac says. For those up north there in Canada, it's kind of with the same thing there. It's a little bit rainy as well, maybe a little bit drier in the west and cool and rainy in the east of Canada. Look at the hurricane season forecast. We're talking about 23 named hurricanes this season. The average is about 14. Last year was 20, so it's a little bit higher. And they're thinking that there'll be a category 3 plus. So humid weather could be an interesting time for the southern part of the U.S. in terms of hurricanes. Moving over to Europe, for the folks over there, it looks like Spain is going to be hot, and so is the southern. Of course, that's surprising, southern, right? But the north is going to be cooler than normal. So there you go. And of course, we translate that into the humidity. It's going to be dry in the south. I already have some dry warnings out and a lot of restrictions already in the south in the European. And of course, the north will be more humid and rainy there. Even globally, some of the more things that is interesting here is in the southern hemisphere. Australia and New Zealand is going to be hot this year, and Africa, which is typically thought of to be hot, is going to be a little bit cooler there, especially on the eastern seaboard. Some of that near East Asia there is going to be warmer a little bit for the most part, and the rest is, as we've already discussed, in terms of the other continents there. Looking at how this year is shaping up in terms of the global averages, the global average of temperatures is slowly rising, and that trend looks to continue to the upside. Then we look at El Nino, because a lot of these temperatures are actually initiated by the El Nino and the La Nina effect, and we're kind of in the middle last year, and so this probably be the same. So they're actually thinking that this year might be slightly elevated, but nothing off the charts as of yet. We'll have to keep an eye on that. That being said, take a look at the AI and what it says about what the El Nino and La Nina is all about. Take a look at that in the post link in the description box below, and go to our website and answer the poll question: how accurate have these long-term forecasts been? This, of course, they always put these things out, but are they accurate? Interesting. Give us your take on that. Now, don't forget to subscribe.